Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your earbuds LG tone-free fit from the application. So right now, if we open the application, we have no button here to remove it. So we can few options how to do it. We can turn off the headphones, so put it to the charging case and close the case. Right now it should disconnect it from it should remove from the application, and as you can see, nothing. But we have also two more options. We can go to settings, connected devices or Bluetooth if you have iOS. Then click the settings icon or information icon on iOS, and we can disconnect or forget the headphones. So now I return into the application and we have these headphones here. But if I click on the disconnect, it's the same with unpairing. If you click forget, but I don't want to leave this connection loose. And as you can see, again, we have no earbuds here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!